You're aware of yourself. You know that you exist naturally. All this world you can see. The senses are very much with you. They're with the body. Sense of smell, of taste, of sight, of hearing, of feeling. The power to remember or to know things. All of this is with you. And you are not to reject anything at all. Don't judge anything. Let everything just be. Just like you are right here now. I only ask for your attention. Let everything that happen. But right now, I'm asking you simply to not identify with anything at all. I'm not asking you to judge the things or to be cynical about life. Simply do not identify. Stay completely detached. So although the body is here, the world is seen, the senses are working, but you are only aware. You are not the body, you are not the thoughts, you're not the feelings, you're not your mind or any thought. As though you are totally invisible. So without holding on to anything at all, even though you can perceive, you're aware of them, but without any identity. What I'm sharing with you is right now. Already, you see, when you don't identify with anything at all, there's already a deep spaciousness inside. Well, actually, it's not limited to inside. Don't attach even to inside or outside. Feel just how without size you are. How limitless. Do not identify with any picture. Don't use your imagination. Just simple, like I say. Not identifying with the body or with anything you perceive. You're here. This is very mysterious that without identifying with anything, you are here. Or you are just aware. Look how it is to be just aware. How spacious, peaceful, happy, without time. This that you're experiencing now is here all the time. You did not create. It is here. But mostly we are not aware of it because our attention goes to the mind and the memory and personal identity. When we go to these and we identify with the body and mind and thoughts and so on, then it's as though this that you are now, you are and are experiencing, feels like it doesn't exist, it's hidden. Simply like that. The more you spend time conscious of yourself here, without identifying with anything, and this is a secret, this is a mystery, you find that whatever is happening, yes, you can walk, you can speak with people, you can do the work you have to do, you can sit down, you can do whatever has to happen. Happens very naturally, but you're still always present here, inside. Sit with this a while. It will not go away. It cannot go anywhere because it is everywhere. Wherever you go, this remains as it is. And look, you cannot really see it, you cannot smell it, you cannot taste it, you cannot touch it, you cannot hear it. It's much, much more pure. But because you are here, the senses are working. You can hear, seeing, touching, tasting, feeling. All these are happening naturally. And they're happening because of this. This does not go away. Only when your attention awakens and goes to identify, then it's as though this is hidden from you. Would you want to live with this purity, as this purity, this silence, this joy, this peace, this openness? Or exchange it for a lot of thinking and worrying and, busyness and excitedness and fear? Of course not. How wonderful you are as yourself. And this is yourself. Look, yourself is not doing anything to be yourself. There is no technique of how to be. Just remember and be this. Fall in love with it. Protect it from the mind. Don't keep going into identity. And all of this, you will see, remains always with you as you. Thank you.